In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to show the clock with seconds in the bottom right corner of your screen on a Windows 11 computer. By default, Windows 11 only shows the hours and minutes on the taskbar clock. But with a small change in the settings, you can also make it show the seconds. Let's get started. First, go down to the search icon on your taskbar. Click on it once. In the search box, type the word Settings. You should see the Settings app show up as the best match. Click on it to open it. Now, on the left side of the Settings window, you will see a list of categories. Look for the one that says Personalization. Click on it once. After that, look over to the right side of the window. Scroll down a little until you find the section called Taskbar. Click on it. Inside the Taskbar settings, scroll down again until you see a section called Taskbar Behaviors. Click to expand that section if it's not already open. Now, scroll down slowly and look for an option that says Show Seconds in System Tray Clock. Next to it, you will see a small checkbox. Go ahead and click on that checkbox to turn it on. As soon as you check it, you will notice the seconds appear in your system tray clock right away. It should now display hours, minutes, and seconds. If you ever want to turn the seconds off again, you can come back to this same setting and simply uncheck the box. That's all you need to do. It's a simple setting, but many people don't know it exists because it's a bit hidden. Thanks for watching.